Yeah.
Actually, studies will show like this. You have to build the muscle to get to like 5 or 6. And that's at a high tier. Most people are going to get a solid like 3 hours of work, focused, actual good work done. You can putz around for
That's
the other
about
three,
right.
right? So what happens is when I go and have a calendar of 8 hours and I fill it with 8 hours of stuff, I get to the end of the day and go, I'm a schmuck. I suck. I only got 4 hours of
Mhm.
work. And all this stuff is now lingering. You start feeling down on yourself. So I,
Yeah.
I at this point now, like I'm aware of. I'll have a podcast. It doesn't bother me. Like I can record with somebody or be on there. It's not going to stress me out. But like actual strategic thinking work, I never go more
Mhm.
than 3 hours in a full day, and it allows me to actually just hit that, and I feel like myself, like you're talking about, because I get a
Yeah.
lot done. And now I've got some things knocked out. I can move to the next part of my day, and if I do that, I actually usually get ahead of the game. So even when I carved out an hour for it, it's like 30 minutes. I'm like, cool, put something else in here. But at 3 hours, like I'm good, and I can move to the next part. So you start feeling more of like the person you're talking about. But if we
Yeah.
stack too much on that day, we start to feel like we suck, when really it's just our brain could not stay locked in for that long, and it's not a
Mhm.
it's more a physiological thing than it is like a willpower thing.